Hey there, Sunshine! So today I am trying out a brand new subscription box on my channel. I am so excited to have this here in my hands. This subscription box is called Hemplife. I have recently just gotten into the world of trying CBD gummies from Sunday Scaries. I've been using them to help treat my anxiety, and I feel like the quality of my life and my mental health has actually improved greatly since trying them out. So I'm really excited to have this box here in my hands. So I do have a little card here just to break down some more of the information here. If you guys are interested in learning more about Hemplife, you can find Hemplife on hemplife.createjoy.com. They have 3 different subscription box options. I have the Hemplife Premium box, which is $55 plus shipping. They also have Hemplife Spa, which is $34.50 plus shipping, and Hemplife Basics, which is $29.99 plus shipping. So, with that said, I have another card here that talks a little bit more about pricing and everything like that. So I'm gonna save that for last, but oh my gosh. Okay, first off, I have never in my year, maybe 2 years of doing subscription boxes ever seen this. Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's got a little marijuana symbol on it. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay. So it says all natural hemp bath products. Get your Hemplife subscription box by visiting hemplife.createjoy.com. Okay, so I'm so pumped right now, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look how well put together. Look how well put together this is. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh, it feels so luxurious. Okay. Okay, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I don't even know what to pull out. I don't even know where to start. I think I'm gonna start with this really pretty bag. Okay, the first thing that I'm pulling out is this super pretty bag. Look at it. It's like little branches and metallic rainbow. Okay, so that means whatever is gonna be in here is gonna be super special because this bag is super special. Theraproducts.com. It's got saran wrap around it. It's a candle, a hemp oilseed candle. Oh, it kind of smells like a little, it kind of smells a little floral, but also a little minty at the same time. Like it has that cooling sensation in my nose like peppermint does. Oh my gosh, okay. And then there's little, I don't know what the flakes on the inside are. Okay, that smells way better than I thought it was going to smell. Because normally like candles are super florally, but I like that scent. That's very refreshing. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this argan and hemp plant-based herbal shampoo and a matching conditioner. Oh my gosh. These are made with pure plant-based ingredients, cruelty-free, no petroleum products, no parabens, no synthetic fragrances, no artificial colors, no formaldehyde. Oh my gosh. Now, I don't know a whole lot about hemp, but I don't know, what is hemp shampoo and conditioner? Like, what can that do for my hair? How can that benefit my hair in contrast to normal store-bought shampoos? So I hope that the card has a little bit of something about that, because as somebody who doesn't know much about it, I'm excited to learn. Okay, I'm now pulling out this Franken Farms Dirty Hippie Goat's Milk and Hemp Healing Soap. Oh my gosh. Provides excellent benefits to your skin. Okay, that is so fun. Also, I really love how the snakes in here aren't actual snakes. They're like dried grass. It makes it feel like so much more handmade and personal. Okay. Oh, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the Bethany Bathhouse Hemp Bath Bomb. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. Okay, now I'm now going to pull out. There's 3 more products in here, but I feel like this box is so full. This is a natural hemp lip balm. Oh, okay, let's open this up because why not? Oh, it smells really nice. Just as a quick note before I try the lip balm, I want to take a second and just explain something to you guys, especially for those of you who have never smoked marijuana. I have never smoked marijuana. I have never been around marijuana. It was not something that really was a huge it didn't really hold any place in my life whatsoever. So when CBD and hemp started becoming this all the rage in the beauty community and in the medical community, I was like, oh, like, how are products that are made with hemp or CBD oil going to smell good when I know that marijuana, or like, for me, it smells like very skunky, it smells very odoriferous. So I was like, oh, okay, like, I don't understand how, like, why would somebody want a candle that smells like hemp? Why would somebody have a want that scent? Because I never found it to be pleasant. So when I started using the CBD gummies, after all of the research that I've done, because I've written articles before, I've done my own personal research for my own personal health, like all of the conferences and videos and everything that I've listened to, I was like, okay, CBD oil seems safe. Let me try it. And when I tried it, I was like, I can't believe the impact that it's had on my life. Like, I'm like, wow. So I'm not sitting here condoning like, oh yeah, go smoke marijuana. Like, do whatever makes you happy. It is not my business. I'm not sitting here like, oh, you know, shaming anybody. I'm just saying, if you have never smoked marijuana, if you are concerned, like, how do these products smell? I'm so shocked because, again, this is like my first interaction with hemp. The only interaction I've had with CBD oil are the Sunday Scaries CBD gummies and the unicorn jerky. So this is like my second interaction with like anything related to marijuana, but this is my first hemp interaction. I was excited to see how these products were going to like help my body, but I was not expecting like everything to smell so nice. Like, I don't get any of that like skunky odoriferous scent that I associate with marijuana. So I'm like so excited and so impressed. And again, that's points on me for not being educated in this subject, but as somebody who is not educated in this subject, I am very excited to see that everything just seems very pleasant. Okay, so the last two products that we have in here are this patchouli and vanilla hemp lotion. Oh my gosh, yes, vanilla hemp, that sounds like fun. Oh my gosh, it's okay. There's definitely floral there, but it's not a powdery floral. It's a very sweet floral. That honestly smells so good. It says made with 100% therapeutic grade essential oils made with natural ingredients. And the last thing that I have in this box is the Lavender and Lemon deodorant bar. And the first ingredient is organic hemp oil. Okay, so in here I have 8 products for $55. I'm gonna read this card for a second. It says the total retail value for these hemp products is close to $100. I'm gonna trust that. I cannot do math off the top of my head. They are made by various artisans in the US and Canada using hemp as the main ingredient. If you wish to purchase more of a particular product, please visit their shops on Etsy. Yeah, and they will assist you directly. Thank you for subscribing to Hemplife. That makes me so excited. Etsy just got a shout out. I own a vegan and cruelty-free cosmetic company. I got started on Etsy. I now have Etsy and eBay and all these other places where I sell my products on. So it's really exciting to see all these little shops that like are making their way on Etsy, and it's so exciting to see a subscription box literally built themselves off of supporting small businesses, and that has me so excited. Okay, so the shampoo and conditioner set has a retail value of $32. Then on the card, it also gives the Etsy store name to each shop. That is so amazing. The vanilla patchouli hemp oil lotion has a retail value of $10.99. The hemp seed candle 8 ounces has a retail value of $29. The hemp bath bomb has a retail value of $4.50. The dirty hippie goat's milk and hemp soap bar has a retail value of $4. The hemp lip therapy, you either received peach or pear. I think mine is, I want to say pear, but yep, Asian pear, has a retail value of $5. The hemp rose, geranium, and cedarwood deodorant has a retail value of $6. Okay, first of all, I'm so excited to be trying all of these products from different small businesses, and that this box is literally built off of supporting small businesses. That has me so excited. I'm so excited that everything smells amazing. Everything like seems to be so high quality. It seems like this box was packaged with care. Like everything in here just seems so amazing. So that is everything that I received in my Hemplife subscription box. I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. What other subscription boxes would you like to see me review on my channel? I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.